Hi, I'm Luke Van Wyk, sales leader at Thunder Creek. In this video, we're going to walk through the SLT trailer, or standing for Service and Lube. Now, this trailer has become incredibly popular, and I believe much of that is because of the versatility of this platform. Mobile service and lube businesses is growing a lot, and this trailer is a cost-effective, very versatile solution to help resolve the need in the marketplace. Now, this trailer can do a ton of different things. We can transport different oil products, we can reclaim waste oil, we can transport antifreeze, diesel, DEF, we've got grease capabilities on here, tool storage. We can even set it up with light kits, welders, generators, and compressors. So this is a very versatile platform, but what's also very appealing about it is it's a very affordable platform. It's in many cases a fourth or less the price of a lube truck, but it's not just more affordable to buy, it's a lot more affordable to operate. So let's take a walk around this SLT trailer. I'll show you some of the key features of it and maybe help you understand how this could better fit in your operation. So let's first start by talking about the tank area of the trailer. Most of the SLT trailers that we build have a total combined capability of 440 gallons of fluid. Now, the fluids we're carrying here are our fresh oils, our reclaimed oils, antifreeze, diesel fuel if you choose to set that up. Those are kind of the main fluids that go in this area. And we can split that 440 gallons of total volume up in a lot of different ways. So we do 110 gallon tanks, 55 gallon tanks, and also 25 gallon tanks. So depending on if you want to take a lot of maybe engine or hydraulic oil to the field, smaller quantities of some other specialty oils, reclaim, antifreeze, we can also set the tanks up as steel or stainless steel if you want that for the antifreeze. They're heavy 10 gauge tanks, so they're built here in our ASME certified shop. So they're built for the rigors of the off-highway environment and the demands that they're going to be in. Every tank has its own level gauge on it, so you can monitor easily as you walk down the trailer how much product is in each tank. So from the tanks, we move up here to really the business area of the trailer. This is what we call the Magnum Box, and this is where you're going to spend most of your time. So in here, we've got the hose reels for each of our fresh oil products, our fresh antifreeze products. Our grease reel is in here. We've got reclaim in here as well for pulling back our salvage oils. If you had fuel on the trailer, your fuel pump would be in here as well. The manifolds right here are where you'll individually turn off and on each product. Each of the reels here for fresh oils and antifreeze is 50 foot, and we've got 25 foot of reclaim reel. The reclaim system is set up to run both ways, so we can both pull fluid back, as well as at the end of the day, you can empty the tanks by flipping the valve to the other way. One other thing that we do is we can compartmentalize the salvage oils. In some states, when you get over 60 gallon reclaim oil, you may get into a hazmat situation. So on this trailer in particular, we've segmented that so there's 110 gallons of total reclaim capacity, but it's running back into 2 tanks. So just like on our MTT trailer, we're isolating the tanks to stay underneath that hazmat threshold. Just like in any of our other boxes, there are LED dome lights. So if you're working early in the morning or late at night, when you open this up, you've got visibility to what goes on right here in the box. We've got a drip pan here. So if the nozzles drip or if anything leaks out, it's all caught right here in the pan. So on the other side of the Magnum Box is where all the fluid pumps are. We're using a stick pump for our fresh oil fluids. We're using a diaphragm pump for our oil reclaim and also for our antifreeze. You'll also, on the passenger side of this Magnum Box, find the grease, either a 35-pound bucket or the 120-pound grease keg would install over there as well. Normally, we use the Graco LD series stick pumps and the Husky diaphragm pumps, but if you've got a pump preference, let us know. We can be pretty accommodating. Moving up the trailer, we come to the front enclosure. In this area of the trailer is going to be where the DEF system may be, if that's an option you want on the trailer. The filter drain pan that comes standard on the trailer is up here. The tool storage can be up here, so we've got toolbox options for parts and tool storage. There's a number of different things that from the factory we can put in here if you want, or like all the Thunder Creek stuff, you can add some of those options at any time down the road. The other thing is that a couple years ago in the design of the trailer, we changed the pitch and length of this tongue. So if you're pulling this trailer with a full 8.5 foot wide service bed, you still got good turning radius and maneuverability. Now here at the back of the trailer is our utility box. And this utility box is standard on the SLT trailer. Normally back here you would see a compressor or a compressor generator or even a compressor generator welder that we use as the air source to run the pumps. Now this specific customer is actually going to tow this trailer with a service truck, and he's going to tie into the air source on the truck. But like I said before, normally you're going to have that appliance back here. You see we've got some tool storage set up in the back of this. There's some other tool storage options that we can put back here. There's even a small workbench with a vise that can be set up back here. So here at Thunder Creek, we talk a lot about our 4 Fs. The fit, the finish, the form, and the function of everything that we build and put out the door here. And I will tell you that I think the SLT is the pinnacle of fit, finish, form, and function. We run this thing on a 7.5 by 1/4 inch frame. We run cross members at least every 24 inches. We run premium torsion axles with brakes on all axles. They're a self-adjusting brake with greasable hubs. The fenders are removable and replaceable if there's some damage that happens to them, because fenders always get damaged. And the tanks of the trailer and all other components are built incredibly durable. And one of the biggest things that has driven the popularity of this trailer is the overall value. Whether you're using this trailer in an operation every day or you're using this trailer as needed, this is a unit that's going to work for you. It's going to work affordably for you for a long time. The cost of this thing, as I said before, is in many cases 1/4 or less of what a lube truck would be to set up to do the same thing. But it's not just less expensive to buy, it's less expensive to operate. We can build the trailer depending on how it's set up and build it in a number of different configurations. Many of the trailers are built at a 10,000 pound GVWR. The value to you in that is that the operator that's running this trailer up and down the road wouldn't need a hazmat or even a CDL. So it means the people that operate this trailer can be more affordable to your operation, and the cost over the life of this trailer can be a more affordable asset as well. There's a lot of attention that goes into every aspect of this trailer and how we can individualize an SLT trailer specific to your needs and your application. But we want a chance to talk to you about it. So please reach out to us, to any member of the Thunder Creek team, and let us know what you're looking for and how maybe the SLT trailer can be set up to meet your needs.